So yeah. So, but the best one he ever came up with, apart from the she's the color and that she's the this, and I think he's trying to like say like it's gonna be small, but
But hang in there.
hang in there.
You rock.
Yeah, you rock.
You rock.
But the best thing was when he realized that this one likes her burgers. Was that she's like if the movie is like a meal, like a cheeseburger meal, then Mukho is like Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, you need it. You need it to digest the food.
Zalma Coca-Cola पिला दे.
Nice segue. I
Kalma.
love that. That's a good
one,
journalist.
Good, na? Good. Myra,
Yes.
you've done a lot of cinema, mashallah, in
Yes.
Pakistan, and successful cinema. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि ये आपका most ambitious project है so far? Maybe Superstar के बाद? Because that was a really concrete role. वो
Yeah.
film was riding on your shoulders.
Yes.
Mala Jat is not riding on your shoulders, but you are an integral part of it. और लोगों को जो expectation है कि ओ हो भाई फवाद और मायरा इकट्ठे, वो आपको उसकी कोई है palpable feel है उसकी या नहीं
Not at all.
नहीं
No.
क्यों?
I don't know. I don't think that this is a Fawad and Mahira sort of outing. This is an ensemble cast. This is Fawad and Hamza, Umayma, Gohar.
Absolutely.
All of us coming together.
Yeah.
I don't feel any pressure as far as me and Fawad to coming together. No, I feel pressure just because me, It's like even if I'm in this role, which is, however small or supporting it may be, I think that people will be like, either they'll be like, we wanted more of her, or it'll be like, but yeah, I mean, so it'll always be like, this is not me, this is them. They have to carry this movie, and I think they will.
And you're a part of it, though.
I'm a part of it, and I hope I've done my job well enough for me to be that heartbeat, or for me to be that cola,
Yes, Coca-Cola.
Because that was required of me.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Mukho can't be at any point angry or sad. Even when she's angry.
क्या है Mukho?
Mukho is
प्यार.
She is a bloody like little flirt. She's a flirt. And she's just so obsessed with Mola, Like Mola Jat comes into the thing and jo maut ka kuan hai, and where he fights. And she's just like, so rooting for him all the time. She's also actually Mola's conscience.
Okay.
वो जो एक लाइन है ना जी वो जो एक लाइन है जो ट्रेलर में है जहाँ वो कहती है कि I'm not going to say it because I will suck right now, but basically she's telling him that अगर तुम इन लोगों की जान चाहते हो और मेरी इज्जत चाहते हो तो नूरी नु बोटी बोटी करके बारा
बोटी करके बारा.
She tells him, she's this close to him, and she says, then basically, and I love the way she's.
मैं इंतजार कर रही हूँ कि ये डायलॉग पंजाबी में आए जरा.
तो खैर नहीं अभी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन वो कहती है कि
मैं चाह रही हूँ कि ऐसी गुफ्तगू सारी पंजाबी करिए.
तो आप किसी और को ले आए ना.
नहीं, आपने सुना मैंने कहा.
Another thing Bilal said to me was
पंजाबी नहीं बोलना.
Man Mukho, he also calls me Mukho sometimes. Man Mukho, that dialogue you said in an interview, it's like. It's really become a big hit. I was like, okay, so, but we didn't use it. It's not even like, why did you? But then he was really happy. I was like, I hope you've not cut it out. But the chilla log, like, no. Yeah, so I'm not going to give another dialogue out. My director's not very happy. What? Pakki pakki mashuka.
Pakki pakki mashuka.
मैं हूँ ना pakki pakki. बस.
ये है, लेकिन आपका और जो फवाद का जो इश्क मशूकी है वो नीलोफर के लिए संभाल के रखी हुई है, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है.
So Mola Jat is very. I think they've also taken out a few things out of Mola Jat, but when I was shooting it, I was like, oh my God, is this a bit much? There's a lot of. It's very raw.
Yeah.
The Ishq Mashuki is very raw. Neelafar is very pure.
Pure.
Very.
Raw and pure. We like the comparison.
Yeah.
We like the balance
Yeah,
between.
this is very
Yeah,
like
raw.
I shouldn't say dirty. I should because that no, it's
No,
I don't
no,
mean
dirty
it
is
in
not a
that
good
way.
word,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's not what I mean. Is it's
Gritty.
it's muddy.
Huh.
Like I'm not saying the right word, right? Yeah, this is
You're
gonna
not
get
going to have a
dirty.
mud fight with Mola. No.
No, but they are like they
ख्वाबों में आपके.
no, but it's a muddy. It's like
हाँ.
gaon ka,
हाँ.
and that's something else.
हमारा पंजाबी सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था या शूट इतना लंबा जो था 1-2 साल तक
नहीं,
होता रहा
Punjabi was
पंजाबी
my
was the
biggest
biggest
challenge.
हाँ
Punjabi was my biggest challenge. Shoot and shooting for so long, and that's not a challenge for me. I
Yeah.
do it. I do
And
films.
you
I do
were-
it on a regular
yeah,
basis.
yeah.
So it's something that I just
and you were doing other stuff alongside so you were
Yes.
busy constantly you hadn't parked your career for Mola Jat
no,
you were doing other things as well
absolutely yes.
और वो
yes.
चलती रही
जी बिल्कुल. I keep on working.
हाँ पंजाबी थी और दूसरी चीज फवाद gained about 25 kilos for the role
Yes.
you did not gain any weight
Listen, I tried. I know you're gonna hate me for this, and you're
Yeah.
gonna say, "Oh well, you." I tried.
Yeah.
I really did. But also, Bilal was like, "It's okay. I don't want you to be that. Like, don't go crazy eating parathas and all of that, because somewhere, Fawad looking big,
Yeah.
and already for some reason, I don't know why, I look bigger on screen.
वो तो it makes you larger than life of course
Yeah, but some people don't look.
Okay,
I feel like,
okay.
my directors have told me I look taller
Huh.
and bigger.
हाँ
So he liked the idea of this big Mola Jat with Mukho sort of a little bit, he thought it would look really nice when he, there's a,
Yeah. You sent me a message when I said Myra's Punjabi is making me nervous. And you
Yeah.
said, don't be nervous.
Yes.
I may have been nervous, but I also said I cannot imagine anybody other than you playing
Oh,
Mukho.
no, that's not true.
absolutely.
That's not
That
true.
is absolutely true. I would not have anybody else.
That's another thing. That's another thing. I don't think, yeah. I agree with you.
Yeah, absolutely. There you go.
Yeah,
there you
yeah.
go.
I
We're
think
on the
that,
same page.
yeah, I think that, yes.
But
gonna
Myra,
keep
good
it at
luck.
that.
And
Thank you.
I've seen bits of the film.
You
It
said you're
looks-
going to ask me some really tough questions, but you haven't.
These are the really tough questions. We'll ask you the tough questions after the film. वो भी तो वक्त आना है ना?
I watched your interview well in bits.
हाँ.
Um,
इसलिए कि ये cut short.
no,
Can I
it's
take
fine, it's fine,
a
it's fine.
couple more minutes?
No, you don't have to keep this in.
No,
I'm
no,
just
we
saying
do,
that
we do.
I watched this interview of hers with, a snippet of Fawad and Fawad talking about me and how his chemistry with me is.
Yeah.
And I messaged Fawad. I was like, is it really that we argue? Is that why the chemistry is good?
हाँ.
I was like, you could have said, I'm the greatest actor you've ever worked with.
Yeah.
I'm the biggest blessing in your life. I was like, what? I was like, let this question come to me.
What do you think? Why do you think you have sizzling chemistry with Fawad?
Because हम तो बहस करते हैं तो इसलिए chemistry
नहीं अब असली हकीकत क्या है?
नहीं यही हकीकत है.
अब जाहिर बात है उन्होंने कह दिया तो अब आपने भी वही बात करनी है मगर असलियत क्या है?
This is it.
I think it's God given. It's God gifted यार वो
You know,
दोबारा नहीं होता.
honestly, the truth is that we don't even know what it is. I do think we as actors bounce off each other.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're not trying.
You're not trying.
I think that's
absolutely.
it. I think that's
But
it.
I hope with Mola Jat, people will let go of Asher Hussain and Khairat and have a
They
new...
will.
They will.
They will. I
हाँ.
think so. But I
ये
have...
तो फवाद ने हमें बता दिया था कि जपियां वपियां हैं.
हाँ है. But you know what I have a feeling? Mola Jat will let go of Fawad and me.
Excellent.
Yeah. But I think what I have a feeling, and maybe I'm wrong, but I think with Neelofer, it's all gonna be the same.
This was Myra Khan.
Thank you.
मुखो जट इस वक्त मैं जट हूँ अब जाके कुछ नटों को ढूंढते हैं.
हाँ.
I insist on calling them nuts and they're like don't call us nuts.
Oh, they call themselves nuts.
हम नट हैं मैं कह नहीं अभी तो नट
आप लोग nuts ही हैं.
nuts ही हैं.